How to change the shipping address on a Walmart order. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video, I'll show you how you can change your shipping or your delivery address on your Walmart order for which you might have already ordered it in the wrong location. So you want to make sure to stick with me till the end. Now normally if you wanted to change your delivery address, you would need to go to the account section from the top right hand side and then click on the option called account. And when you went to the account option, on the left hand side you could go to manage account, and here you'd find the option called addresses. And when you went to addresses, you could simply edit your delivery address right over here by clicking the edit button and then entering the new address and then clicking on the save button from the bottom. But let's say that your address or your order was already made and now you sent the order to a wrong location and you want to change it. Well, in that case, the only way we can do it is via customer care, which means that we have to contact the customer care and they're going to get the ordered address changed for you. So scroll down to the bottom and here you'll find the section called customer service. Go to the help center. Once you go to help center, over here scroll down and you can say contact us. It says didn't find what you were looking for. Click on the contact us button. Now you'll basically open up a chat page over here. So simply right over here you can simply select anything, but I'll just select something else. Once I select something else, again you'll ask us to choose a common issue, so I'll select the option called it's something else again over here, and a person will actually be able to go ahead and simply come in touch with you. So I'll select something else again, and after that an agent is going to come. We're going to let them know that we want to change the order address, which means because you might have shifted location or maybe you happen to enter a wrong delivery address, and just ask the customer service that if you need any help with that, because a real agent is going to get in touch with you through this chat page. Hope this video helped you. If it helps you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.